So this implicit parameter. And so basically what we're going into now is the difference between static methods and non-static methods. And for objects, in this context, this implicit parameter exists within all non-static methods, also referred to as instance methods. Let's look at the example given. So we have hello is an instance of a string object, and we save the reference to that string object in str. And now we say str.charat0. Imagine writing the charat method. So if you're writing the charat method and you've got the parameter 0, then you need to know, hey, I need to return the 0th character of some string, but no string has been passed as a parameter. How do I have access to that? So we've got that problem. We also know that str can be anything the writer of this method wants. So the charat method already exists, and str is a name that I chose as a user of it. So how do we write that method? And basically, within the charat method, there's essentially a keyword this. We can think of it as a variable, but we don't have access to change it, that refers to the reference in str. So within every instance method, every non-static method, then we have access to this, which refers to the same reference that's necessary when we call the instance method. This implicit parameter with a car class. So we see the car class and a setOwner method. So the setOwner method we see is non-static, so it's an instance method. So a particular instance of car will be called with a reference. And then within the setOwner method, then we refer to the reference of the particular instance with this. And so in main, so a caller of the new instance, so we create a new instance of car, save the reference in acar, and then acar is a reference to the instance, and essentially when we say acar.setOwner, within the setOwner method, whatever is the contents of acar can be accessed through this. And so I can write the car class not knowing how it's going to be used, but I get the reference to whichever instance within the this pointer.